Just got to the office right now. There's the trailer in the background. To be honest, there's nothing else to it. I'm just gonna start cleaning. You guys are gonna watch me. It'll be fun for you guys. It'll suck for me. All right, very first thing, even before I walk into the office, I just unlocked the trailer. I am putting heat in this bad boy. And this thing takes absolutely forever to heat up. That thing sucks. So this is the situation I'm getting under. I already came here beforehand and I gutted the backside of my fryers because they were nasty. This one was the worst one. This fryer is actually broken, so we gotta switch it out. It has a leak. I have my fryers sitting in a solution. So basically it's been sitting in this solution for a while now. It's essentially just water and fucking heavy duty grill remover. Basically it just removes all the grease. So they're taking a bath right now. I'm gonna heat everything up eventually. So I gotta clean this grill, right? It looks fucking nasty. I'm gonna clean all around it, clean all underneath, and this is my job for today. So it'll be fun. You guys are here to watch me. All right, so I'm back in the trailer. It didn't really get any hotter. So first thing I'm gonna do is go flick on the valves for the propane and get that heated and on because it has to be warm in order to clean it. And in order to clean all of these, they also have to be warm, so then all the fucking grease gets off easier. So I'm gonna let this trailer heat up because I'm not completely sure if there's a layer of ice on the, what do I call them? I guess the cylinders. So I'm just gonna wait to fry these up because I don't want to break anything. And I'm gonna do this grill first. It's fucking cold. You guys see that? Look how cold it is in this trailer. You guys see the steam? You guys have to see that. That's how cold it is in here. This right here is like, it's pretty fucking annoying actually. So I gotta put that on my notes to do that. Shout out. This is literally what you're supposed to do. Let the solution do all the work for your grill. Looks like it's on fucking fire, but it's not. This is why I brought the water. Holy shit. It looks alright. I'm not done with it completely. I still got to do the back of it. Right now it's shut off. waiting for it to cool down a little bit more so I can put some chemicals and get the behind of it. So, put these on now. I'm gonna clean all the underneath too. It's gonna start smelling like chemicals. Clean. This is dirty. Way more sparkly, isn't it? Dude, I just broomed all of the water and it's slowly coming back. This is the part where it gets always messier rather than cleaner. Fryers are going. This is good. I needed to get hotter in here to warm up these so I can clean these. Fridge. So, but these are all done, so that's nice. This is the only one that's left, and then I'm gonna drain these and then wipe them down. All right. I'm gonna go flick off the valves outside. So these, I'm gonna wait for them to cool down before I can put them in a bucket because it's gonna melt through the bucket. It's done that to me a couple times now. Big mess, big fucking mess, especially with oil. So now I'm gonna take these off, bring them one by one to the trailer, and you guys are gonna see what's behind them with me. Let's do this. Wow. That's a really good first one. I'll show you guys. Oh shit. This one's gonna be a fucking hassle to clean. I can already tell. Look at that one. This one's just, it's all caked on, this one. It looks really clean. Doesn't look clean. One sec. I don't even know what I'm saying. To me, it looks clean, but to everybody else, it doesn't look clean. But to me, that looks really clean compared to like what I'm used to. Like, I'm super glad these filters really caught a really big chunk of everything. So I'm impressed actually. But to the outside world, this is like really fucking dirty. Essentially, I thought the trailer wasn't slanted enough to where this, oh shit, this is full. Holy fuck. Dude, my garbage is full too. Shit, dude, it's such a fucking disaster in here. It's not gonna be easy. This process every year. Do you know you could pay somebody $2 grand, or you pay a team $2 grand? Us trailer owners, if we want, we could pay like $2 grand for this team to come in and they clean basically what I'm doing right now. So this, what I'm doing right now, is worth $2 grand. Can you believe this? Calling the girl. She's done work. So.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing.
None much?
No.
Are you at your house?
Yeah?
I FaceTiming you.
Are you?
I think so.
I'm FaceTiming you.
I'm FaceTiming you.
I'm FaceTiming you.
Oh, and then this is the GoPro. It's filming everything. And then these are my buckets of dirty water right now.
Ew.
Yeah. And then, yeah, this is what's happening. Aw, she's so cute. This is probably the worst part about having a fucking trailer. This right here. It's crusty up there, man. I'm gonna scrape it off. This sucks, guys. It's really hard to, but I'm scooping. I don't even know what this stuff is, but it's on top of my hood vent, and the only way to get it is by scraping it, but it's filled with screws and shit, so it takes a really long time. So basically just time consuming, but I'll get it done. Yeah, I think I'm fucking done. Oh shit, man. Just got home. Grabbing everything now, and then I'm going into the shower. And then I got my girl coming over soon enough, so yeah.